Have you ever wondered why lung cancer is so hard to beat? Despite enormous efforts and many new treatments, lung cancer continues to dominate, with the highest number of new cases and deaths every year. My name is Joanna and I'm a cancer researcher. Our bodies have amazing abilities to protect us from everyday stress, changes, and even extreme conditions. There are many mechanisms that help our cells adapt, and ultimately, they let us survive. Unfortunately, cancer cells have found a way to hijack these protective mechanisms. Instead of protecting our healthy cells, they protect cancer cells, helping them survive harsh treatments we're using against them. For lung cancer, chemotherapy is still one of the standard treatments. It often works at first, but over time, cancer cells straighten their protective shield. Eventually, they become resistant. Patients are forced to move to another set of drugs, hoping for better results. It's an ongoing battle, and sadly, we often lose. So what if we could dismantle the cancer cell's protective shield? It turns out we can. In my research, I identify a protein that's part of this shield, called histone deacetylase 6, or HDAC6 in short. Unlike similar proteins that work inside the cell nucleus, HDAC6 operates in the outer part of the cell, where it can affect key proteins that help cancer cells survive and manage stress. But what happens if there is no HDAC6 in the cancer cell? When I genetically turn off HDAC6 in lung cancer cells, the results were striking. The cancer cells grew slower, moved less, and most importantly, they became more sensitive to a standard chemotherapeutic drug. This means that by inhibiting HDAC6, we can actually dismantle the cancer cell's protective shield, making chemotherapy more effective. It opens the possibility of using HDAC6 inhibition in combination with existing anti-cancer drugs to improve their effectiveness and to help overcome drug resistance. In the fight against lung cancer, every advantage counts. By targeting HDAC6, I hope we can tip the balance in our favor, making current treatments more powerful, more effective, and giving patients with lung cancer a better chance at survival. That's why I'm dedicated to this research. If we can break down cancer defenses, maybe we can finally begin to win.